Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be discussing the prerequisites for learning React.js. React.js is a popular front-end JavaScript library used for building user interfaces. Before diving into React, it's essential to have some prior knowledge of certain technologies and concepts. Firstly, you should have a basic understanding of HTML and CSS. This will help you to create and style user interfaces in React. Secondly, a good understanding of JavaScript concepts such as functions, objects, arrays, and ES6 syntax is required, as React is a JavaScript library. Thirdly, knowledge of Node.js is recommended, as it allows you to run JavaScript on the server side. Fourthly, familiarity with package managers like npm or yarn is essential, as React requires the installation of dependencies and packages. Fifthly, a basic understanding of the command line interface is necessary to install and configure React and its dependencies. Sixthly, it's essential to understand the basics of Git and version control, as most React projects are managed through version control systems. Lastly, you need a code editor or IDE to write React code. Examples include Visual Studio Code, Atom, or Sublime Text. While these are the essential prerequisites, having some knowledge of concepts like functional programming, MVC architecture, and REST APIs is recommended. That's it for this video. We hope this brief overview of the prerequisites for React.js has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more programming related content. Thanks for watching.